pretty much what we do here is make sure everything at MIA runs smoothly. CITD provided us with 2 different apps, one for grease trap tracking and the other one for Airfield lighting torquing. A grease trap is usually installed between a commercial kitchen and the sewer system. It acts as a barrier, preventing blockage to maintain proper drainage and sanitation. We have hundreds of grease traps and thousands of lights throughout MIA and throughout the GA airports. So it's easier to go back and see specific reports.
We're identifying a critical need in facility management, ensuring FAA compliance while enhancing how stakeholders locate, inspect, and manage lights. The idea is that they can inspect and report different issues that they found in the field. And after that, it goes automatically in a dashboard to track what happened, and they can make decisions on the existing data that they collected.
It all started with a challenge. The facilities teams approached CITD because they were doing grease trap inspections on paper. So they needed to automate their process. From there, we developed a survey. So the field worker inspect the grease trap on their phones, and the data that they submit is automatically seen on a dashboard.
Together, we were able to figure out something that works for management, something that works for the guys on the field, something that works for everyone.
When different minds come together and innovate, that's when you are able to build the best product. I am super proud. It looks so pretty and it's useful, it's reliable, it's fast, and most importantly, my customers are happy with it.